Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain trimming characters. Trimming characters are used to trim a particular character from a string, either left or right or on both sides. There are three particular commands which are used to trim the characters. Those are trim right, trim left and trim. Whereas trim right is the command which removes the trim characters in left end of the string. Here trim right is the command, then we are giving the string, what is the string that we are going to trim, and the characters that we are going to remove from the particular string. This is the syntax. The default trim character is white space, whereas trim left string trim characters is the syntax to trim the characters in the left beginning of the string. For example, if we have a string like this, if we want to remove this one from the string, here we are using trim right as it is at the left end of the string. So we are giving the string. For example, if we assign the variable s1 for this particular string, then we are giving s1 here and then the character. If we want to remove this word, we are giving this word here. Or if we want to give from this to this, these three characters, we are giving this here. Then it will remove and it will give the output as this string. This is how the trim right works. If we want to remove the characters in the left beginning, that is if we want to remove this word, we are using the trim left command, which will remove the characters that we have given here. Here we are giving the command as trim left and the string name is s1, as we are assigning variable s1 as, then we are giving the trim character as this. So it will return the value as this one. This is how the trim left works. Then if we want to trim the characters on both sides, for example from this if we want to remove GCI, and from this if we want to remove GUO, we are giving trim the string name, that is the variable assigned to the particular string, that is s1, and the trim characters. Here we want to remove on both sides, so we are giving GCI space GUO. Then it will return the string as YA space BUEF. This is how it will return. Let us see an example so you will get some idea with respect to this trimming characters. Here I am using an online compiler. In this I have set the variable s1 as, that is string tool command language. Then I have set s2 as language and I am printing trim right $s2 in s1. We are trimming s2 in s1. For that we are using trim right command, as we are removing the character from the left end of the string. So we are using trim right command. Here this is the command trim string trim right s1 $s2. We are removing s2 from s1. Then let us execute this. This is how it is printing. Trim right. $S2 means language in tool command language. So it is trimming the character language, that is the word language, from this string. Here I have set S3 tool. Here I want to trim the characters from the left beginning. So we are using trim left character command. So here I am using string trim left $S1 $S3. So it will remove $S3 in $S1. So here it will remove S3 in S1. So here I have given S3 as tool. So it will remove tool and it will give command language as the output. This is how it is returning. And then if I want to remove from both sides, I am giving the variable S4 as tool language. This is at left beginning and left ending. I am printing string. We are using the command trim to trim the command from both sides. Here we can see tool and language are removed and the output is command here. This is how the trimming characters are used to trim a particular string, a particular character from a string.